Bridge course, test number 1, subject Science and Technology for 15 marks, standard 9th, activity sheet number 1 to 7, and time 30 minutes. Question number first, identify who am I. First, because of me, the electrons flow in the conducting wire in the circuit. Answer is potential difference. Question number second, because of me, iron nails attracted towards the magnet. Answer for this question is magnetism. Question number third, I have the properties of metal and non-metals. Student, metalloid is the answer for this question. Then question number second, answer to the question by observing the figure below. Write the name of the element in the figure. So the name of element is sodium and symbol is Na. Question number next, how many electrons are present in this element? 11 electrons are present in this element. Question number C, write the name of second orbit of this atom. How many electrons are present in this or in the second orbit? Second orbit of this atom is known as L, and how many electrons? Then 8 electrons are present in the second orbit. Question number 3, what type of the mixture is lemon juice? What are ingredients in it? Lemon juice is a homogeneous mixture, and in lemon juice, salt, sugar and water, these are the main ingredients. Then question number 4, who is different from us? First, salt, baking soda, camphor, blue vitriol. From these, camphor is different. Sodium, zinc, chlorine and calcium. Chlorine is different. Complete the following chart. Examples and types of inertia we have to note down. The bicycle is moving even if it stops pedaling. So answer is inertia of motion. The stone does not move from its place. The answer is inertia of rest. The following figure shows the experiment with respect to the force and area used on board. What will be the conclusion about this? So answer is, in first figure, the force is exerted by books on large area, while in second figure, the force is exerted by book on small area, due to which the bench was bent. Hence we concluded that if area increases, force reduces, while the area decreases, force increases. That is, the force and area are reversible. In this way, we have completed test 1 solution for the science and technology.